Webflow and Lovable are two no-code web building tools used to create websites and apps without writing any code yourself. This video compares both to find the best option for builders who want to launch online. While both apps let you build for the web, they have different approaches to setup time and pricing. We analyzed integrations, hidden limits, and 2 other key areas to see which platform is right for you, who each tool is actually built for. Let's start with the most important question. Who is each tool actually built for? Webflow and Lovable look similar on the surface. Both let you build something for the web without writing code from scratch. But the moment you start using them, you realize they serve 2 completely different people. Webflow is built for designers, marketing teams, and agencies. If your goal is a professional website that looks polished, ranks on Google, and manages a lot of content over time, Webflow was made for you. It gives you precise control over every visual element, layout, spacing, animations, and structure. Lovable is built for founders and product teams. If you want to test an app idea fast, build a working prototype, or launch an MVP without hiring a developer, Lovable is the tool for that. You describe what you want in plain language, and the AI builds a functional app with a front end, a back end, and a database already connected. Right away, we can see that these 2 tools are not fighting for the same user. Keep that in mind as we go through each section and think about which description sounds more like you. Now that we know who each tool is for, let's look at how long it actually takes to get started. Setup time and the learning curve. Getting started on each platform feels completely different, and that gap matters more than most people expect. With Webflow, there's a real learning investment. The interface mirrors how front-end web development actually works: box model, breakpoints, classes, and CMS structure. Most new users spend several hours inside Webflow University, the platform's free course library, before they can feel confident. Once you clear that initial wall, the workflow becomes fast and repeatable. With Lovable, your first result comes in minutes. You type a description, and the AI starts building. A simple app with user login and basic dashboard can exist in under 30 minutes. The catch is that getting the AI to produce exactly what you have in your head takes practice. Vague prompts produce vague results. For a new user who needs to see something working today, Lovable wins on setup time. For a user willing to invest a few days learning a tool that they're going to use professionally for years, Webflow pays off long term. Pricing and what you actually get. Now, here is how the pricing breaks down for both. Webflow's free starter plan lets you build on a Webflow subdomain with 2 pages and basic CMS access. You cannot connect a custom domain on the free tier. Paid site plans start at $14 per month on annual billing. The CMS plan at $23 per month is the most common entry point for content-heavy sites. The business plan at $39 per month increases your CMS item limit to 10,000 and bandwidth to 100 gigabytes. Teams also need a separate workspace plan for collaboration, which adds another layer of cost. One important thing to watch with Webflow is bandwidth. The basic plan now includes only 10 gigabytes per month. If your site uses a lot of images or gets a traffic spike, you can exceed that quickly. When you exceed it for 2 consecutive months, Webflow automatically upgrades your plan and charges you. Lovable's free plan gives you 5 credits per day, roughly 30 per month. Each meaningful AI interaction uses 1 or more credits. On the free plan, you can expect to run out after 2 to 4 substantial requests in a day. The Pro plan is $21 per month on annual billing and includes 100 monthly credits, private projects, custom domains, and credit rollovers. The business plan at $42 per month adds team features, SSO, and a shared workspace for unlimited users. That covers the pricing for both platforms. If you've already decided which one you want, you can find links for Webflow and Lovable in the description. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Both platforms have free plans, so you can test before committing. Now, let's compare the integration options of Webflow and Lovable. How each platform connects to other tools. Webflow connects to a wide range of third-party tools through Zapier and Make, linking it to thousands of apps like MailChimp, Airtable, and Google Sheets. You can also use Webflow's CMS API to pull content from external databases. Custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript embeds are supported on paid plans. For marketing teams with an existing tool stack, Webflow fits in without major friction. Lovable's integrations are fewer but deeper. Supabase handles your app's database, authentication, and file storage automatically. No manual setup needed. Stripe is natively supported for payments. GitHub integration is bidirectional, meaning your project syncs to a real repository you own and can edit anywhere. As of today, Lovable has no native Zapier or Make connection, which limits how easily it connects to older business tools. Workarounds exist using webhooks, but those require some technical knowledge. So, to put it simply, Webflow connects broadly to the marketing ecosystem. Lovable connects deeply to the modern app development stack. The right fit depends entirely on what you're building. Speaking of fit, there are some limits on both platforms that most people only discover after signing up. Let's go through these now. These restrictions are not prominently advertised, but can become real problems depending on how you use them. The hard limits you will not find on the pricing page. For Webflow, the most significant limits are inside the CMS. The CMS plan caps you at 2,000 content items. The business plan raises that to 10,000. Each collection list on a published page can only display 100 items at a time, and this cannot be changed on any plan. It's a hard platform restriction. For a personal blog or small business site, these limits are not a concern. For a large directory or programmatic SEO project, they can be a serious obstacle. For Lovable, the main hidden limit is what the AI can reliably produce. Independent testing shows Lovable handles roughly 60 to 70% of most app builds well. The rest, advanced logic, security configurations, and scalability, often needs a developer to fix manually. Lovable also lacks built-in performance monitoring or automated testing. Many users start a project on Lovable and then export the code to GitHub to continue building in a tool like Cursor. This tells you something about the platform's current ceiling. Think of Lovable as a powerful starting line, not necessarily the entire track. With all that covered, here is the straightforward answer on which tool belongs in your workflow. Who should pick Webflow or who should pick Lovable? Pick Webflow if you are a designer, marketer, or business owner who needs a professional public-facing website. If SEO matters, if you manage a lot of written content, or if brand presentation is important, Webflow is the stronger tool. It takes longer to learn but delivers more precise and stable results for that use case. Pick Lovable if you're a founder or solo builder who needs a working app prototype fast. If you want to test an idea or launch an MVP without hiring a developer, Lovable gets you there faster than anything else at this price point. The credit system means you need to budget your usage, but the Pro plan at $21 per month is a reasonable entry point for serious building. Both platforms have free tiers with no time limit. Try them. The one that feels natural for the kind of work you do is probably the right answer. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. Thank you for watching.